can you say about your team's execution on both ends of the floor for your first game?
I think we defended pretty well naman ano. Especially in the first half. In the third quarter medyo they had a run. But that's just the way the game is, and we should learn how to break that kind of run because it could happen later on. So, na-break naman namin yung run, but still, I think we weren't able to break the run as soon as I wanted to, without calling as much as possible a timeout. So, that's good. We had Berto with us. He knows how to run the team. He knows what's needed when things are not going well, and he'll find a way to to break the streak, to score, to defend. So that's what Robert is here for.
Thank you, Coach. Yun nga, Robert, challenge ka nila na mas galingan mo pa this season. Binigyan mo sila ng almost a triple-double first game pa lang. Dagdag ko na rin dyan, ano masasabi mo sa connection nyo ni Mike Henry? Nagkakaguhan mo kayo Manila ng rebound?
Wala. Wala lang. Masaya lang na nanalo. Pero syempre, yung fourth quarter lang. Ayan na naman kami yung nag-let down lagi. Dapat baguhin na namin yun. Pag ganun, dapat kill mode na kagad. Dapat hindi kami mag-relax tas papabalikin lang. Sayang yung effort na ginawa namin halos buong game. Tapos bumaba ng 12. Parang kailangan knowing Coach Joe and coaching staff, yun yung papakita namin sa bukas paano nangyari yun. So dapat baguhin namin.
We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Thank you. Thank you.
Beto, siyempre namin naka-anticipate go to this team na ano yung 4 points yan. Nakaisa ka ba during the first half, parang na-maximize mo yung 4 points yan to penetrate or create some shots for set another team in your teammates?
Yun nga, this conference, iba na yung role ko, may import. So, siya yung main man namin sa offense. So, itong off-season na to, trinabaho ko yung defense. I put effort itong game na to. Yun yung gusto nila coach. And yung import namin nandiyan naman lagi. So, yung 4 points, hindi naman namin hinahanap yan. Minsan lang pag shot clock, pero ginagamit ko lang as advantage na nakaangat sila. So, yun na yung time na nakaka-create ako para sa mga kasama ko. And happy ako na lahat ng trinabaho ng teammates ko nung off-season, ayun, na-prove ngayon sa first game. So, hopefully sa next games namin ganun ulit. And team effort lagi, lalo na sa depensa. So, gusto namin bigyan si Coach Jong ang first win niya. Diba? Ba't tatagal-tagal niya atis kabalik naman. So, yun.
Sana not the only one.
Yes.
Beto, kung tournament, parang iba style lang mo race din. Up-ups kayo. Tsaka nakaka-short ng schedule. How are you approaching this format na to?
Yun nga, bagong format, may 4 points, daming bago. And ang saya maglaro kasi minsan hindi pa sanay pag nandun ka sa loob pero yun nga, pag may bagong innovation, minsan tatagal pa bago mo makakuha yung style. Pero masaya kami sa game na to, yung depensa namin yung fourth quarter lang talaga. And hopefully, makuha namin yung top 4. I think 1 month lang, matatapos na kaagad yung 10 games. So, sunod-sunod yung laro. Dapat healthy yung mga players, alaga kami sa mga katawan namin. And hopefully next games, makukuha ulit namin yung mga panalo.
Aware ka ba na may chance ka mag-triple-double? Kasi nag-awak ka ng ibang import.
Oo.
Siyempre, hindi ka nag-double-double.
yung si Anton kasi sumigaw, lakas ng boses eh. So, narinig ko nung papatalbog pa lang. So, sinabi ko kay Mike, kinuha niya, okay lang, walang problema.
being back and winning on the first game, at least that's na-achieve mo na yung first win in your return.
Ako ba? Masaya naman. Siyempre, ano naman every win para sa akin, masaya naman talaga ako pag nananalo. But siyempre, parang medyo nakahinya. Diba? First win, siyempre, first game, first win, medyo nape-pressure ka kung tama yung ginawa mo nung mga off-season, di ba? Kung tama ba yun. Kasi siyempre, iba yung assistant ka sa Gilas, iba yung assistant ka sa Meralco, sa NLEX, iba yun eh. Pero pag nandun ka na, ibang usapan na yan. Ikaw na nagtitimon, ikaw na lahat. So, lahat na sa'yo. So, medyo nakahinga. Makakatulog ako mamayang gabi maski isang beses lang bago lang laro.
Pero may difference ba sa way na gamitin ka ni Coach Jong comparing to your other coaches?
Nag-usap naman kami ni Coach. Siyempre, champion na to si Coach So, ang dami ng players na dumaan na mas magaling pa sa akin. So, alam na niya kung paano yung mga style. So, yung ano ko lang talaga, tinart ko lang itong game na to. Hindi ako masyado nag-focus sa offense kasi nandiyan naman yung import, tas ibang style of brand yung game namin. So, kung ano yung gusto ni Coach, sundin mo lang. Balang araw, may opportunity ka rin. And yung defense talaga, yun yung sinimulan ko sa game. Tinatry kong bigyan ng effort yung defense. Kasi medyo doon ako konting hirap. Pero itong off-season, trinabaho ko. Medyo maganda yung depensa ko itong first game. Sana tuloy-tuloy na. Pag nakikita ng teammates ko, medyo nagaganahan rin sila. So,
same lang, 40 minutes ilalaro ni Berto. Same lang.
That ends our post-game press conference.
Thank you.
Everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good.
Congrats.